My name is Matthew Schull. I am a second-year business student here at UF, and I'm the founder of Spot Ranger. And to tell a little more about Spot Rangers, we built a community out around parking, and we help people find their place. As someone that didn't have a car last year, but now I have a car in Gainesville, I was like, there's an opportunity here. I called up my best friend, Brandon. I was like, hey, man, you want to work with me on this idea? Told him we need a name, Spot Ranger. Boom. In the evolution of Spot Ranger, from changing from selling to the consumer to now selling business to business, I've realized that we're building this community of people that all have the same issue, and that is parking. And what effective communication really means to me, it's building these key relationships with these people that they help you, you help them, you build up your business, you work together. It's getting through to the decision maker. First, you have to get through the gatekeeper, and I never would have known that first if it weren't for my time at the selling factory and figuring out the right key language and really seeing as what their pain points are and where they're having an issue, we can communicate effectively to them and get through past the gatekeeper to the decision maker and make that sale with Spot Ranger. My short time in the summer at the selling factory really helped me develop that personal relationship building skills that exist within sales, and that's really helped me find out who I am as a person and develop the idea of Spot Ranger. And I'm very thankful for that opportunity to be a better communicator.